What's up, guys? And happy New Year's. It's New Year's Eve, so happy New Year's to all you out there. Elridge and I are back with another underwriting video. I'm Anitra Preston, co-founder of Vertical Capital. Introduce yourself, guy.
My name is Elridge Moore, co-founder of Vertical Capital. We are a private money lending company here in New Orleans, Louisiana. And we're back with another underwriting video.
And we lend money to real estate investors and developers in New Orleans and Baton Rouge. If you're looking for a loan, go ahead and hit us up. And if you like the contents of these videos, go ahead and subscribe.
Let's get into it. So before we dive into this application, I got a question for you, partner.
What you got?
All right. I couldn't scroll up to show people where the borrower is located, but this is a out-of-town borrower. How
Uh-huh.
how do you feel about an out-of-town borrower purchasing a property in New Orleans? How do you feel about that?
I have concerns.
And what are you?
If you're doing a rehab project, I have concerns about who's managing that project, right? And so I would need to see um who that person is, and I might even consider you adding them to the loan, right? So in my experience, whenever there's an out of town person um who doesn't have a system or a team in place, it could be problematic.
Yeah, I agree. All
Right.
right, let's get into it. So we have 2464 Jasmine Street, New Orleans, Louisiana, 70122. The building square footage is 1,152 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's a single family property. It's at the title company, Bayou Title. Estimated current value of the subject property, 103,000. Estimated value after rehab, 270,000. Years of experience. I would like to know that, especially being out of town.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So right now, it's a complete turnoff for me.
Yeah.
Right. I
Yep.
don't know your experience. I gotta come back and ask you for the experience. You're displaying right now by not filling out the application the way we are asking you to do it, you already displaying that one, you're not capable of managing because you're not managing the project, and here you are, you're the one that's filling out the application. So for
Yeah.
me to trust in you to trust someone else to manage the project, that's gonna be a little hard for me.
Yeah. So in this situation, we're gonna dive deep on the track record. We need to know the year you purchased previous properties, the renovation budget you did, and we need to see your business name, your entity name as the purchaser and everything like that inside that track record. So
Correct.
we're gonna underwrite this one super, super heavy.
Right.
All right, the loan amount requested, 195,000. Describe the use of funds, purchase and rehab house. All right, we're gonna check out the photos. Exit strategy, sell immediately 1 year. That's not immediate to me.
What's immediate to you?
Right, but that's all opinion though. Immediate
Right,
time.
it is.
Yeah,
I
that's
mean,
all
you've been
opinion.
doing fix and flip. I mean, and I would gotta see. I could tell you right now. Look, I'm trying not to be opinionated about this one because we don't even have enough photos right now to even
Yeah,
make a sound decision.
yeah, yep. How long you need the loan for? They say 1 year. Purchase price 103,000. How much can you put down as a down payment? 20,000.
A little short,
Oh,
but that's okay.
what you say?
I said it's a little short because 20,000,
Yeah, yeah, it's a little short. It's a little
not
short.
that much.
Yeah, we need 300 more dollars. No, 600 more dollars.
600 more dollars.
Yeah. Construction costs, they don't have any construction costs. So it looked like it's a hotel. You think it's a hotel deal?
I, I,
I don't know.
what they said their strategy was. They were going back up. It says exit strategy.
Sell immediately.
Oh, so Go. What's that? They don't have any construction. They didn't have any construction costs.
Yeah.
Um, I guess that's what they're saying. They're trying to say purchase. No, it says purchase and rehab the house.
Yeah, but they don't have a construction cost, or they if they plan on doing the construction out of pocket, we will require them to put that out of pocket money in on the front end of the deal.
So explain that, Elwich. Why would we do that? And this is important for, I think, for new lenders who are considering, like, so if the person is saying, "Hey, listen, I just need you to do the acquisitions, which is the purchase of the property. I just need you to fund the purchase of the property." How would that look? But they're saying, "Hey, I got 60,000 to rehab of my own cash." How do you handle that and why?
All right. Well, yeah, we'll ask them to put the 60,000 towards the purchase because of risk. With us coming behind their money is at risk first before our money. So if we got to look at the lien positions, right? So if we let's just say they purchasing the property at 103,000, if they put a 60% down payment down and we put up 43,000, our money is less at risk and our LTV, our as is LTV is super, super low. So if that property is worth 100,000 and we only coming in at 43,000, we had a 43% LTV on the purchase. And that's why we require them to put their money um towards the purchase versus towards the construction.
Yeah, and then again, that gives us a little more control, right? So then they'll put the 60 on the purchase, and then we'll come back and put the 60 on the rehab, right?
Yeah,
And so now they still have to have more than enough funds to start that rehab project,
yeah,
whatnot. So if this instance on day one, we're all in on the project at 43,000. If they walk away or don't put another dollar into this property, we're in a super, super great position. Plus, we
yeah,
still have the 60,000 to start or finish the renovation. So this is very, very important that you
yeah,
learn to flip flop those numbers. You always
yeah,
want to be looking at how can I do this deal, but not be in the riskiest position possible.
exactly, exactly. So we all about managing risk.
Managing risk.
Yeah, yeah,
You can't be successful in this business without understanding that basic principle of managing risk and protecting your capital and your capital partners capital, and in most cases the protection comes in just the math, right?
yeah.
Moving
Just the
numbers
math.
around,
Yeah.
right? Let the math speak.
Let the man speak. Yeah, they don't have enough photos. So let's check out the photos they do have. So guys, we wanted to check out the photos. They didn't put any photos. They put images of their driver's license. All right, so this looked like the property right here. 2464 Jasmine. Yeah, because yeah, that's it. You see the address 2464.
Yeah. um so
Yeah.
let's see what the as is value is. So I would have to probably, I'm gonna assume a renovation on this because they said rehab. So we,
All
we
right.
gotta we gotta assume below average.
All right. We're looking at the closed properties last 365 days.
The thing is, what Jasmine, the street is, the neighborhood is excellent. This Gentilly, right? So that
Yeah.
checks, but um, you probably know this area a little bit better than me. So,
Yeah. I actually sold a property
oh, this
on
is on the
on
other
John
side of Frank.
Quill. I sold a property on John Quill Street.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you actually want to be, you want to be on the other side of Franklin, or is it on? Oh, it's on the other side of Franklin. All right, cool.
I'm gonna just take these right here on this side. Because Franklin is a main street. Gentilly Boulevard is a main street. But we should have enough comps with this.
Right.
What did they say the square footage was? You remember?
I don't remember what they said.
All right, they said the square. All right, 1152, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Those bedrooms
Pretty
might be.
small.
Oh yeah. All right. All right. So we got this one and the ARV. What they say the ARV? 270. Oh, I don't know about that.
Not at 11, not at 1152.
Yeah.
It may the 270 for this area, is not a bad comp, but the property is way much bigger than that. Like
Yeah. But
1250.
this one sold for 240
I
at
know I'm looking
1250.
like I might have spoke too soon. That's
Yeah.
nice. That's a nice little cute little house for some. Oh, I like it.
Yeah. Yeah, they did a good job.
I had to get a job on that, but they trying to wholesale it, so we got to look at as is.
All right. Yeah.
Well, we don't know. See, it's confusing with the application because they did say rehab.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, I guess we still can look at excellent comps or whatever. Um,
Yeah. This not considered excellent. Yeah. It sold at 150 and this one sold at 192, but this one not considered excellent. This is in very, I would say very good condition. What you say?
yeah, I mean, it's not excellent condition, at all. It's a little predated. It's got a lot going on with it.
Yeah, I do got a lot going on.
Presentation of the house. Uh,
Yeah.
it's a lot
Yeah.
going on.
But they say the ARV is 270. I still don't, even though this one sold for 240, I still don't agree with the 270. The 270, that's high.
Yeah, but the one that sold for 240, they number at 192. That's high compared
Yeah.
to what I'm
Yeah.
looking
But
at.
our square footage is,
Smaller,
yeah,
much
smaller.
smaller.
So 1152.
252.
Yeah. Yeah.
So 100 square feet smaller.
Yeah. So I think on this deal, we just have to like talk with this borrower because we need to know first we need to see pictures because we don't we they didn't provide any pictures.
Hmm.
Um then we need to see how are they going to rehab the property because they didn't put a renovation amount in there. So there's a lot of assumptions we make. And so
All around the application is bad though, partner.
yeah, like
They
yeah,
didn't present themselves really well.
yeah,
Um, and so I off the out coming out because you asked me the question earlier at the beginning of the video.
yeah,
I don't have confidence in this applicant.
all right.
And,
Well,
and so I feel like there's a lot of red flags here with this person.
yep,
And so I'm not willing to again, I think I said on another video, you sell me on your deal.
yeah,
And right now this is just another random house in New Orleans to me.
yeah,
So I'm not sold on forming, and the thing is the application is the relationship stage. I'm not interested in the relationship because you're not interested in the relationship.
yep, yep. All right, so this is VC denied then.
Probably. Yeah, it's probably denied. I'm not even trying to ask for additional information.
All right. Well, yeah, it's VC denied.
Denied. Yeah.
All right.